hopefully we are fine with that. Anyway, so let's just start. So we are going to create a nice little track situation in Inkscape today. So for that, let's go ahead. We could zoom in a little bit. So what we are gonna do, we are going to use the Bezier tool with so Bezier tool. So for that we will hit B on our keyboard, and we will hit there, and you'll hold Control, and you'll go I think let's go this much. So and we will put another click there. We will click there, and you'll keep going. Okay, so you know what you could do instead, uh, what you could do, we could come from here. So let's click here and hold Control, and I think this much is fine, and click there again and come over here. Click again and click down. Let's come this much, and we hit enter. Okay, sorry, we didn't click that. So well, so let's do it again. Hit and hold and hit here again, and hit there again, and hit there, and we just didn't do the hit, so hit here again, and now enter. So there you go. Now if we go to the selection tool, before we go to the selection tool, so if we start from here again, we'll click there and hold Control, and we'll click there again and do that. So it's still on path there, you know, and yeah, so if we go to now to the selection tool, and we just need to get rid of this portion here, this portion, and for that so what we will do now, we will like select this, and we will go to the node tools by pressing N on our keyboard, and we will select this node, and we will hit delete from the keyboard to get rid of that. Okay, no problem. Now we'll go to the Bezier tool again. We will click there, hold Control, and click here, and that's it. Yes, this is still on path, and that's pretty much fine. If we go to the selection tool, and if we just check the like edges of that, whether or not they are perfectly fine or have any issues, they are perfectly fine so far. So now what we will do, we will have circles. Okay, so let's go to the ellipse tool and hold Control, and I think let's go with this much. Okay, So now what we'll do, let's go to selection tool, come over here, and let's move it. Let's move it a little bit there. Okay. So what you will do, if we like put it here, so as you can see, it's perfectly fine. And what we are gonna do, we are going to press Ctrl and D to duplicate that, and if we move it the other one here. Okay, now what you will do, we will select that on, so both of them are selected. Okay, and we will make them group. Okay, we will make them group for now. Make them group, so now they are on little thing. Now having them selected, we will also select the underneath layer, and we will come over here to the align situation, align and distribution relative to the last selected. So the last selected on is that on, and we will go make it center on the vertical axis. We don't need to center them on the horizontal axis because they are already centered. Okay, so now if we come over here and if we click them, what we are gonna do, we will simply duplicate them. So if we duplicate them, and what we will do, we will ungroup now. Okay, and we will also ungroup the other one, ungroup. Now my friend, so we basically have two things here. Okay, two circles on top of another. Okay, there is a reason for that. So what we will do, we will select on and select the underneath layer as well. Okay, now we will come over here, path, and we will go difference. That means so one circle has been just deducted, minused from the the underneath layer, the main object here. Okay, so if we come over here and do the same thing, and the other object is here. Okay, the other object is here. If we just go like this, you see this is the other object. Okay, now just press Ctrl G to get it back there. Now come over here and do the same thing. So select that and select the underneath layer, and come to the path situation and go difference. Now my friend, so what we are gonna do, we will select this, and I don't know. So if we select the other one as well by holding Shift on our keyboard, and we will hold, I think if we go with Shift, and if we try to scale them down, what happens? Oh, okay, so this is not the way. So we will come over here, and we'll make sure this width and height are locked up. So this is like 124. If we go just like 100, and we will see fine. Okay, now let it be there. We will do the same thing here. So come over here and do the same with 100. And what we will do, my friend, so snapping is on, so we'll just snap it there. Okay, snap it there, and you'll also snap it there. Okay, now what we will do, we'll select them like both, and we could like press the arrow down key on our keyboard to move them, and we will see where they're looking good so far. I think it's okay now. So that's it. Now if we come over here, we will see a path, okay, and a wheel, another like a circle, and a wheel, circle. Okay, so this is pretty much how you can do a little track like situation, and yeah, that's it.